And the reality is it's an antiquated additive that played a role at a certain time, but is outdated. It's been in much of our pharmaceuticals, it's been replaced with a modern, safer, inexpensive alternative. In fact, there's several different alternatives. But when you go back, many of the legacy pharmaceutical drugs like Lipitor, Synthroid, Nexium use talc in the manufacturing process. The updated version, something called magnesium stearate, which plays the same role as talc, is now used in the more modern manufacture. However, those legacy drugs never went back and replaced talc with a safer magnesium stearate. In addition, food manufacturers use talc for many of the same reasons. So talc is what's called a lubricant or a bulking agent. So it's used as a lubricant in pharmaceuticals and other types of manufacturing to make sure that the powder that's put into the machines as it's processed flows properly. So that's lubricant. It lubricates the path of these powders in the machines for pharmaceuticals to press the pill, make sure the pill doesn't stick to the tooling, make sure that it doesn't stick to the various tubes and vats that are used in both food and drug manufacturing. So it did play a role. We didn't know at the time. There's no villain. No one, I think, purposely put it in the food and drugs to, poison us. It was done with good intent, but we now have updated data and we need to replace it.